If you're seeing a GOG error message and you want to fix it fast, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the most common GOG Galaxy error messages and show you exactly how to solve them step by step. We'll cover corrupted files, failed finalization, connection problems, and the game running error so you can get back to updating or installing your games without the frustration. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and gaming troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, if you're dealing with the E1 error, that usually means your local copy of the game is corrupted. The fix for this is to use the Verify or Repair tool inside the game's Manage menu. Open GOG Galaxy, go to your library, find the game that is giving you trouble, and click on the Manage options. From there, choose Verify or Repair. GOG will scan the game files and check for any missing or damaged data. If it finds corrupted files, it will automatically replace them with clean copies. This is one of the safest and easiest ways to fix a broken installation, and in many cases, it solves the problem right away. Next, let's talk about the E2 error, which means finalization failed. This usually happens when GOG fails to install dependencies correctly. To fix this, you need to completely close the GOG app first. Don't just minimize it. Make sure it is fully exited. Click the cogwheel in GOG Galaxy and choose Exit. After that, open File Explorer and go to C plus Program Files, x86 GOG Galaxy. Inside that folder, look for a folder named Dependencies-Temp. Rename that folder to Dependencies. This simple rename can help GOG recognize the dependency files properly and continue the installation process. Once that is done, reopen GOG Galaxy and try your install or update again. Now, if you're seeing a connection or server error, that means GOG is having trouble connecting to its servers. There are a few things you can try here. First, check whether your antivirus or firewall is blocking the app. Sometimes security software can prevent GOG Galaxy from accessing the internet. If needed, temporarily disable the block or add GOG Galaxy to your allowed apps list. If that does not solve it, reboot your PC and try again. A simple restart can clear temporary network issues. You should also check whether GOG itself is down, because sometimes the issue is not on your side at all. If the servers are having problems, you may just need to wait until GOG restores service. Finally, if you get the E5 error, that means the game is currently open or running in the background. Even if you do not see the game window, it may still be active in the background and preventing an update. To fix this, open Task Manager and look for the game or any related process. End the task completely, then go back to GOG Galaxy and try updating again. This usually clears the conflict and lets the launcher continue without any issues. So to quickly recap, if you have corrupted files, use Verify or Repair. If finalization failed, exit GOG and rename Dependencies-Temp to Dependencies. If you have a connection error, check your antivirus, firewall, reboot your PC, and make sure GOG is online. And if the game is running, close it in Task Manager before trying again. These fixes solve most common GOG error messages and can save you a lot of time. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful fixes, tutorials, and troubleshooting tips. And if you want, I can also show you how to fix GOG update errors, install errors, or launcher problems in a follow-up video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.